Tracking your forecast, I'm Chief Meteorologist Amber Sellens. Winds are going to be picking up overnight and tomorrow. Let me show you futurecast here. This is 1 o'clock in the morning. We get this push out of the east and northeast, picking up wind speeds, especially in the outlying areas of the valley. We're talking from Cave Creek down through Fountain Hills and Apache Junction. Things are going to get very breezy here, if not a bit windy, as we head into tomorrow morning. In fact, this downslope wind effect, you see all the red on the color scheme here. These east winds going up and over the mountains, accelerating down the western side, and that means we could see wind gusts, that's downslope wind gusts, at 40 to 45 miles per hour in these areas just east of the Phoenix metro tomorrow. So the National Weather Service has put out a wind advisory, 5 a.m. till noon. All these areas you see shaded in tan, and it does stretch all the way out to Globe. For the rest of the Phoenix metro area, gusts 20 to 30 miles per hour tomorrow, and strongest in the morning hours. We'll start things out at 66 degrees, spend lunchtime in the upper 80s, and hit 90 around 4 p.m. here in Phoenix. Here's your forecast across the rest of the valley. 89 in Mesa and Scottsdale, 90 in Tempe, Chandler, and Gilbert, and 88 degrees in Apache Junction, Fountain Hills, and Santan Valley. In the West Valley, we're going to hit 90 in Avondale and Laveen, as well as Glendale and Peoria. And temperatures will be in the upper 80s from Surprise down toward Luke Air Force Base and out to Buckeye tomorrow afternoon. Early morning lows are going to be in the 50s and 60s in the valley, but look at these freeze alerts that have been posted for other parts of Arizona. Our freeze warning for areas just northeast of the Mogollon Rim is going to kick in at midnight tonight and last until 9 o'clock. And we have freeze watches for southeastern Arizona Wednesday night into Thursday morning. So here's that forecast tonight. Down to 19 in Window Rock, 29 in Show Low and Winslow, 32 in Heber, and 31 degrees in Flagstaff. Tomorrow afternoon, highs in the 60s along the rim, 70s in Payson and Prescott, 80s in Sedona and Kingman, and 90s out west from Lake Havasu City south into Yuma. High pressure is going to keep things very warm. It will drift a little farther off to shore, and temperatures will drop a little bit into the 80s by Halloween as that happens. But it's right back over the desert southwest and over Mexico to our south early next week, and that is going to bring the 90s right back to our Phoenix forecast. So we're not done yet. Upper 80s Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, back up to 90 on Monday, and temperatures in Flagstaff will be in the 60s with overnight lows in the 20s and 30s.